Hi, welcome back to Car Info Project channel. If you are looking for a new car but don't want to break the bank, there are plenty of options available to you. In fact, you can get your hands on some great vehicle for under $15,000. From compact cars to subcompact SUV, there are models to suit a variety of needs and preferences. So let's take a closer look at the 5 best and new cars that you can buy for under $15,000.
Number 5.
Chevrolet Spark. Only two newly released cars currently have engines with less than 100 horsepower, and the Chevrolet Spark is one of them. This model is suitable for city dwellers who don't plan to take their car on long highway drives. The standard 5-speed manual transmission is the better option for drivers who enjoy manual transmission, as it allows the Spark to utilize its 98 horsepower to the fullest. However, the continuously variable automatic transmission is not as effective when paired with the hatchback engine. Despite its small size, the Spark has grip steering and is easy to navigate through tight parking space. It's enjoyable to drive on smoother roads, but its active safety features are limited, with only a rear view camera being standard. Other safety features such as forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and rear parking sensor are only available as optional extra. In the market, you can get this car with the prices starting from $30,400.
Number 4.
Mitsubishi Mirage. The Mitsubishi Mirage has exceptional gas mileage, with a 36 miles per gallon in the city and 43 on the highway, which is an impressive feat. However, the engine's weakness is what allows for such as full efficiency, with a measly 78 horsepower that struggle even when accelerating from a stop sign. The steering is not as responsive, and passengers may feel jostled during turns. The driving experience is rough and noisy due to imperfection on the driving surface that transit to the cabin. Moreover, its crash test score is low, and it has limited standard active safety feature. Although it is an affordable option with a decent infotainment system, the Mirage drawback outweighs its benefit. In the market, you can get this car with the prices starting from $14,295.
Number 3.
Nissan Versa. The Nissan Versa has surprisingly good ride quality. Although it is not the best at handling tight corners, the steering is responsive and easily moved to the subcompact car in the desired direction. The suspension is noteworthy as well, and the Versa stays stable even at high speed. Minor road bumps do not disturb the ride, and the car handles larger imperfection while with the limited body roll. While the engine's 122 horsepower is enough for city driving, it struggles to reach highway speed. Nevertheless, the Versa has impressive fuel economy, achieving 32 miles per gallon in the city and 40 miles per gallon on the highway. The car also boasts a decent number of standard active safety features, including forward and reverse automatic emergency braking, while blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert are available as options. In the market, you can get this car with the prices starting from $40,930.
Number 2.
Hyundai Accent. The Hyundai Accent is a budget-friendly car that doesn't skimp on style. Its exterior design feature well-proportional dimension, automatic headlight, and a large grille, giving it a sleek and elegant appearance that's more akin to luxury car than affordable option. Although the Accent as a sedan with a manual transmission costs just over $15,000, many dealerships offer it for less. The entry-level vehicle market also benefit from significant discount, and cars with manual transmission can sometimes struggle to find buyer in heavily populated area where people want an easy commute. Under the hood, the Accent packs a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 120 horsepower and 130 lb-ft of torque. Standard 6-speed manual transmission give driver a sporty feel and added driving enjoyment. Inside, buyers will find cloth seat, cloth door trim, a CD player, Bluetooth, and Hyundai excellent warranty terms. The Accent may be not the most spacious or sporty car in its class, but its sophisticated appearance sets it apart from its peers.
Number 1.
Toyota Yaris. The Toyota Yaris is a fun car to drive, even though it has less power than some of other cars on this list. Its 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine only generates 106 horsepower and 103 lb-ft of torque, so it may take some time to reach higher speed. However, Yaris makes up for this with its exceptional suspension and transmission. The Yaris is basically a modified Mazda 2, which gives it the Mazda zoom spirit that drivers adore. Its 6-speed manual transmission is the sportiest in its class and reminiscent of the effortless shifter in the Mazda MX-5 Miata. The Yaris also has a nimble suspension that provides drivers with the confidence while driving around turns. Additionally, it has received an overall 5-star rating in crash tests and comes with the standard low-speed automatic emergency braking, providing extra peace of mind. The Yaris is a unique blend of Mazda's sporty driving expertise and Toyota high resale value, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a fun and reliable car. In the market, you can get this car with prices starting from $15,650. In conclusion, while it may seem like finding a new car for under $15,000, it's a daunting task. There are actually some great options available on the market, from the efficient and affordable Chevy Spark to the practical and reliable Hyundai Accent. These 5 vehicles offer a range of features and capabilities for budget-conscious shopper. Ultimately, it's important to do your research, consider your needs and priority, and test drive several options before making a decision. With the right approach, you can find a new car that fits your budget and meets your needs without sacrificing quality or style.